Page using V0. Okay, so let's take a look. Somebody build their pricing page. All right? Okay, so this was apparently built with V0. Interesting. Okay, let's take a look at this resume builder. This was also built with V0. Okay, great. I mean, this is a lot of stuff that it's doing. Okay, is there a way I can use it? Can I use it? Get started? Oh, here we go. Okay, v0.dev. So if you go to v0.dev, you can use it as well. Okay, an e-commerce store for software developers, Merch HM. Okay, let's see. I gotta authenticate. So let's go ahead and do that. Continue with GitHub. Sure. Oh man, I hate this authentication. I'll need to get my, looks like it worked. Okay, use generative AI to create copy and paste friendly React code based on Shad CD New I and Tailwind. Okay, great, all right. So how is this different than ChatGPT so far? I'm confused. Oh, mine was dark mode because I had my dark mode plugin enabled. It's called Dark Reader when you submit a prompt or an upload. An image V0 will use AI to generate 3 different UIs. Okay, a pricing section with the title and description. Okay, nice. You can select individual parts of a generated UI to refine your creation or edit the code directly. Once you're ready, you can then copy, paste it, interior React app and ship. Make this longer, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Welcome, start generating. Let's go. Let's see what this is about. All right, so I'm going to hit enter and let's see what happens. I'm excited. Boys and girl, probably the one girl that watches this channel. If you're a girl, comment below. We need some more ladies up in here. This is too much, too many boys on this channel. All right, so it's actually building it. If you guys could see at the bottom, I can see it's starting to build it. Interesting. Okay, so it looks like it's building is it building 3 different versions? Did it say that? And I'm just like tweaking right now, or is one side building the nav bar and then the other side is building something else? Wow, this is great. Like when you code with ChatGPT, you guys know how it makes it look like ass. When you get the front end from there, it looks so terrible. And this front end looks amazing. Like this is usable. Front end. That's amazing. Okay, so it gave me 3 options, I guess, so. 2, I like option A. I like having this sidebar and then being able to do this. Okay, what else can we do here? So I'm gonna say, call the shop, clever programmer. Okay. And then on the left-hand side, add a donate button. Okay. And for join now button, say, let's see. So basically here, I wanted to add a donate button here. I wanted to say clever programmer, and here join now. I wanted to actually say, join today to save $100. I don't even know if they'll fit there, but we'll see. I'm gonna hit enter, and let's just see what happens. It might crash, it might shut down, it might do something awful, but we'll see. This is exciting, you guys. This is revolutionary. I'm so genuinely excited about this because I want to be coding. I hate doing front end. I want to do back end stuff. It makes me feel like I'm enjoying my life instead of changing colors of buttons for hours or repositioning. Oh, here we go. So we got a button that says donate. Okay, fantastic. We got clever programmer and it figured out how to do it in a really smart way. It goes, join our membership. Join today to save $100 on exclusive discounts and perks, guys. Give it up 4v0. This is fantastic. Okay, let's, oh, wait, I can get the code. Holy shit. Look at that. I got full React code here, and I bet I could paste it somewhere and it would work, and I got the HTML. Okay, so let's try this HTML, and let's put it in CodePen. We'll start coding, paste it here, and yeah, I mean, of course it'll look like shit because we don't have styling, right? Does it do inline styling? How's it doing? Styling? Oh yes, because we don't have Tailwind. It's using Tailwind styling. How do you enable Tailwind here? Let's see. Tailwind in CodePen. Can we do Tillman CodePen? How to use Tailwind in CodePen? Okay, so somebody has a page that has Tailwind, I guess somehow. That's what we need. We just need the Tailwind CDN, I think. Okay, I don't use CodePen a lot. So if you're like, oh, you're gonna do it this way, it's okay, like relax. I don't use it all the time. Okay, so that's why close. There we go, look at that. We're getting the styling beautiful. It doesn't look perfectly like the one we wanted, but it's still there. And I bet if we actually looked at the React version, probably that's just up and running. So if you go to Replit, you can just probably have it up and running, or stack Blitz and have it up and running. But nonetheless, like the point is that it works, right? That's the point. Like, look at this. It's even responsive. So if I actually go like this, right, you see that, how it just turned responsive and it hit the nav bar, right? And now when I go here, boom, it brings it back. Like that is crazy because I just remember, right, like how bad ChatGPT's front-end code was. If you asked ChatGPT for this, it would give you something that you would want to vomit at if it gave you. And this is so damn good. This is very exciting. Good job, VCell. Whoever is behind this. That's fantastic. Okay, I can go back to the canvas now. I can also do new generation if I'm done with this, right? So let's say we're done with our little e-commerce store vibes. We can leave this, and then to add functionality, you could go back to ChatGPT. Oh, interesting. So here's new generations. A button with border grade. So if you need a button, you could do that. SAS results page. Interesting. Pricing is something very common, so let's go pricing, or testimonials are also really common. So let's say give me a pricing page with three tables, one for starter, second for pro, and third for ultimate. Ultimate starter should be $300, pro should be, I don't know, let's say 1K, and ultimate should be 3K. Okay, so those are the three packages we have, and then put in different things that should be included in there. For example, the $300 1 cent should just have a course, and 1K should have group coaching, and the 3K one should also include one-on-one. Okay, let's hit enter and let's see what the hell we get. Because if I get a nice pricing page, man, I'm gonna start freaking using this. This is exciting. Oh, gone are the days of writing front end by hand. Oh my God, import this, import that, do this, do that. Oh, look at that. We got the pricing tables coming up, boys, and I like how it live. Writes it in front of your face. That is clean, dude. That is awesome. Here we go. Choose pro, choose starter, choose ultimate. Fantastic. Now we got the second one. Nice. I actually like the second one a lot. I actually like the third one even more. This is so cool that it gives you 3 options at the same time. I love the third one. We're gonna stick with the third one. We're gonna make the pro package most popular. Can you make the pro package most popular? Like add a badge or something and give all 3 of these different colors? But we want the user to pick the pro package, right? Because UX is a lot of psychology, right? It's not just making things look pretty psychology. Like what behavior do we want to drive? So like we want to drive the behavior where the user picks. The fuck happened? Just vanish. Hello? That was weird. Is it ever gonna come back? What's happening here? I'm so lost. Oh, you can even picking at it like that. Whoa. It did it most popular badge. We got 3 different colors. Colors seem a bit too tacky and sharp. I don't know if I'm using the right lingo. I'm probably using the wrong lingo. Can you make them? Can you give them a little more gradients? Make it look better? I don't know. I'm not a front-end developer, okay? So some other front-end developer can come in and tell me, but it got the most popular badge, which is absolutely fantastic. It got the different colors, which is amazing. I mean, I don't really mind the colors. I think the colors actually look pretty good. They just look a tiny bit on the cheap side. And a 2, I feel like if it was like glass or neomorphic, oh, maybe I could tell it that maybe I could be like, try making it. Oh, I think it added a gradient, right? Like this has a gradient. Those other ones didn't. The gradient does look nicer. Try making it. Neompa. Oh, big word. Hopefully I'm using the right word and I'm not using the one where you like dead people. You know, I hope I'm not using that one. I think that's a nymphomaniac. Please, you two don't demonetize this. That's not my intention. All right, let's see. I'm excited. Let's see what happens here. So I do like